Ocean. This is where I used to live. Or wait, it was, ow, my knee.
It was up that way.
Oh. Ship ahoy!
Hey, matey.
Ship ahoy! Oh my God, I thought someone cut my leg off this morning. Intensity, my butt. Or Insanity. What was that DVD?
Insanity.
Oh my God. Hurt me. What do you have to say to your viewers, Lynn?
I'm listening to my little darling Sherry, and she says it all.
This is beautiful out here today. What a blessing, we're up and out. I thought I was going to be laid up in bed for a couple of days, but I'm not. Thank God. I know, I'm like, bring the crutches, I can't move, I can't walk. Okay, here, wait. Anyway, I used to live here, and Brianna and I would bicycle up and down that path, and she would ride her little Barbie car. Uh-oh, we got heat. LA County Fire Department. Where's the joint? Where's the joint, Lynn? Lynn!
To put out a fire.
Lynn, where's the joint?
He's going to put out a fire.
Where's the joint?
Where's he going?
Where's the marijuana?
Oh, where's one? I've got it in my stash.
She's got the marijuana in her stash. Woo! It's beautiful. Woo, it's windy. I'm holding on. Oh my God. It looks like it's going to be choppy out here today when we get out into the ocean. Woo! I could stand up there and pretend I'm on the Titanic. Okay, this is where I used to live. Right there. Right on the edge. They built all these brand new houses here. Oh wow, there's a lot of sailboats out today. It's windy, brr. Have a blessed day. I sure am having a blessed day. That ice and Advil and prayer was the trick. Amen.